What's up, guys? Welcome to your 61st Android tutorial. And what we're going to do in this tutorial is basically get an activity to be full screen. As you can see, here we have our title bar, and we have like kind of this Android, toolbar, whatever this thing is. We're just going to get rid of that and make this whole activity full screen. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to go into our main activity, which was menu, and all we have to do is make a request, and if Android doesn't give it to us, we're just going to beat them down. We're just going to chase them down, beat them with a baseball bat, all that good stuff. It's going to be good, clean fun. But to do this, what we're going to need to do is go into our onCreate method, or onCreate bracket here that we set up. Again, this is probably still looking kind of confusing for you guys for the whole, list view. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's starting to clear up a little bit. We've done quite a few tutorials, but yeah, we're going to go into this onCreate method. And before we actually set up our list adapter, we're going to go right below this super line here that's referring to the superclass. And this is where we're going to make the request to have full screen, and then we're going to get the window and set the flags to be full screen. Kind of confusing terminology, but just think of it as we're requesting it from the operating system and making it happen. So first thing we need to do is say request window feature, and then we hit within parentheses we refer to the window class. So we say window dot, and we do the feature no title, because we don't want a title, right? That's what we're going to request, and Android's probably going to allow it to happen, so we won't have to beat them down there. And then the only other line of code that we need to write is we basically need to set the height. And how to do that is we're going to again say get, well, I guess it's not again, but we're just going to say get window. If I can spell, always a challenge. Get window, and that's a method. Then we hit dot, and we're going to say set flags. So let's scroll down, kind of read you the definition maybe, if it's one I like. Set flags takes an int, the flags, and also a mask. So let's see what the flags is and what the mask is. It says a new window flag. Oh, we're going to have to refer to something else. Never mind. But the mask is which of the window flag bits to modify. Yeah, hooked on phonics. Works for me. Sorry, I was kind of trying to read two different things at once. But there we go. So basically it doesn't really make sense to you guys. Sorry for even trying to read that there. And now what we're going to do is we're basically set up both of these, the flags and the mask, to be full screen for the most part. We do that through the window manager, which again is a class. Manager dot layout parameters, or layout params, because Android use slang like that and they're just so cool. So then we hit dot and flag full screen, flag underscore full screen, and there we go. And basically this is going to be the same for the mask as well. So we're just going to copy and paste right here, and then end our statement with a semicolon. And I'm just going to hit return so you can see it one screen here right after that first comma. So this is our flags and this is our mask, just so you guys can kind of see everything all together here. And there we go. I mean, that's basically going to get rid of the title and set it to be full screen. And again, you guys want to do that before your set list adapter or before your set content view, because this is going to kind of set up what is available for your set content view, basically telling it what it has to work with, and it's going to scale all of our XML files to fit the screen that is available. So you want to do it before that. And again, it's kind of confusing, or not confusing, but it's kind of hard to remember all these things. So building this application, you can always refer back, and you're like, okay, this activity has full screen, so where is that? So we're just going to leave a little comment here that says full screen. And then you guys can kind of refer back and you're like, oh, that's how to do full screen. I'm just going to copy and paste this for my activity that I'm actually building. And you know, there we go. We're pretty much done. Let's check it. Make sure there's no errors that we're aware of. I'm known for those errors sometimes. So, and there we go. I mean, it's gone. No title, no extra space up there. Everything's working properly. So we are good to go, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. I know that's kind of a quick one, but it's also very useful when you're trying to get rid of all that extra junk. So I'll see you guys then. Have a good one.